In today's video, you'll learn 2 fast ways to check all unread emails in Outlook, using a quick folder filter or creating a search folder that gathers every unread message in one place. The quick filter is best when you want to focus on a single folder like your inbox, while the search folder lets you see all unread mail across your entire mailbox without switching folders. To use the quick filter, open the Outlook folder you want to check. Look at the top of your message list for the filter control, which may appear as a funnel icon, a filter button, or a drop-down showing options like all or unread. Select unread, and Outlook instantly displays only the messages you haven't opened yet, hiding everything else. When you're done, turn the filter off by choosing show all or disabling the filter. If the list doesn't refresh immediately, wait a moment or switch to another folder and return. If you want all unread emails in one place, create a search folder. In the left folder pane, scroll until you see Search Folders. Right-click it and choose New Search Folder. In the window that appears, go to the Reading Mail section and choose Unread Mail, then click OK. Outlook will create an unread mail folder that automatically collects unread messages from every folder. It doesn't move the emails. It simply displays them together so you can review everything at once. Open the Unread Mail folder to view all unread items. When you read or mark a message as read, it disappears from the list because the folder updates itself instantly. This makes it useful for clearing a large backlog while keeping your folder structure the same. You can also sort by from or received to prioritize senders or newer messages. Use the quick filter for focusing on specific folders, and rely on the Unread Mail search folder when you need a full overview of your unread messages. Both methods help you stay organized, save time, and manage your Outlook inbox more efficiently.